Welcome to the heart of American automotive engineering, the Ford F-150 production line. Today, you are about to witness one of the most advanced, efficient, and high-tech truck manufacturing operations in the world. This is a rare, full-access tour inside the massive facility where raw steel, precision robotics, and human craftsmanship come together to build America's best-selling pickup truck, the legendary Ford F-150. As we enter the factory, the sheer scale of this operation becomes immediately clear. The building stretches across millions of square feet, packed with high-speed conveyors, automated welding arms, engineering workstations, and hundreds of expert technicians. Every section of this plant is designed to operate like a perfectly choreographed machine, ensuring that each truck leaves the line stronger, safer, and more capable than the last. Our journey begins at the stamping area, the birthplace of the F-150's body. Huge coils of military-grade aluminum are fed into giant presses that weigh thousands of tons. With a thunderous roar, each press cycle shapes raw aluminum into the doors, hoods, fenders, and panels that will form the truck's distinctive exterior. These machines can generate up to 2,500 tons of force in a single strike, ensuring unmatched precision and durability. Every panel is inspected by lasers and cameras before moving further down the line. And next, we enter the body shop, a technological masterpiece where more than 1,000 robotic arms work in perfect synchronization. Bright sparks fly in every direction as robots weld, rivet, and bond the truck's aluminum shell. Ford uses aerospace-grade adhesives and self-piercing rivets to create a body structure that is lightweight yet incredibly strong. Here, every millimeter matters. Robots measure each frame in real time, guaranteeing that every F-150 meets strict structural standards. The result is a body that is rigid, quiet, and ready for decades of heavy-duty performance. From here, the unfinished truck bodies move into the paint shop, one of the cleanest and most tightly controlled environments in the entire facility. Before painting begins, each body is washed, dried, electrically charged, and dipped in anti-corrosion coatings. This process protects the truck from rust even under extreme weather and harsh off-road conditions. Once the surface is prepared, robotic sprayers apply layers of paint with microscopic accuracy. The colors are baked at high temperatures, giving the F-150 its flawless finish and iconic showroom shine. Now the trucks travel towards the general assembly line, the busiest part of the factory. Here, thousands of mechanical components, electrical systems, comfort features, and safety technologies come to life. Workers install dashboards, seats, wiring harnesses, sensors, and control modules with incredible speed and precision. The F-150's advanced electronics begin to take shape, including smart towing systems, driver assist features, collision avoidance sensors, and digital displays. As the trucks continue down the moving line, we reach one of the most important stages, the marriage point. This is where the chassis, engine, transmission, and suspension system meet the completed body. The entire platform is lifted and bolted together with millimeter-level adjustments. Each engine, whether it's the 3.3-liter V6, the powerful EcoBoost Turbo, or the mighty V8, is dyno-tested for performance before installation. Robots and technicians work side by side to ensure each powertrain is perfectly aligned, balanced, and ready to perform under heavy loads. Moving further, we enter the trim and final assembly area. This is where the truck's interior personality comes alive. Workers attach steering wheels, infotainment systems, leather seats, stitching details, lighting, and storage features. Every button, knob, and touch interface is tested for smoothness and durability. The attention to detail here reflects Ford's commitment to building a truck that is not only tough, but also comfortable and modern. The bed of the F-150, known for its strength and utility, is fitted with tie-downs, liners, power outlets, LED lighting, and the signature tailgate with built-in work surfaces. This section of the assembly line focuses heavily on practicality, ensuring the truck is ready for construction sites, towing trailers, hauling loads, or everyday driving. Once assembly is complete, each truck goes through an extensive quality control process. Highly trained inspectors check everything, from paint thickness to engine sound to panel alignment. The trucks also undergo water leak testing inside giant rain simulation chambers, where thousands of gallons of water are sprayed to ensure complete sealing. Next, engine startup and calibration testing begins. Technicians connect each truck to computer systems that analyze engine performance, emissions, electronics, sensors, and onboard diagnostics. Every vehicle must pass these tests with zero errors before moving forward. Now the trucks move to the rolling road dyno, a machine that simulates real driving conditions. Here, the F-150 accelerates, brakes, shifts gears, and engages its 4x4 system while remaining stationary. This step allows Ford to check drivetrain performance, wheel alignment, vibration levels, and braking efficiency with scientific precision. Before leaving the factory, each F-150 goes through a final road test. Professional drivers evaluate steering response, suspension smoothness, cabin quietness, and overall ride quality. Only after passing all these tests is the truck approved for delivery. The last stop is the shipping yard. Rows of finished F-150s line the massive outdoor lot, ready to be loaded onto trains and trucks. These vehicles will soon be delivered to dealerships across North America and exported worldwide. Each truck carries the legacy of innovation, craftsmanship, and engineering excellence that has made the F-150 America's best-selling pickup for over 4 decades. The journey from raw aluminum to a fully capable truck is a monumental achievement in modern manufacturing. It combines cutting-edge robotics, advanced software, human skill, and a century of Ford truck heritage. Every F-150 that rolls off this line is built to handle life's toughest challenges, whether it's towing heavy trailers, working on demanding job sites, or driving families safely across long distances. As we wrap up this full production tour, one thing is clear: the Ford F-150 is not just built, it is engineered with passion, innovation, and relentless attention to detail. This factory represents the future of American automotive manufacturing, where speed, precision, and quality come together to create one of the most iconic vehicles on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of the Ford F-150 production facility. Until next time, keep exploring the world of advanced engineering and manufacturing excellence.